Hello and welcome to UFPTC. My name is NapalmF, and today we're going to be talking about Wireshark password grabbing. Wireshark has basically the ability to grab passwords, and even though it's not directly like there's a simple password grabbing feature, it grabs all network traffic, and that allows us to search through at our own leisure and find whatever we want out of it. So you might have seen before when we were, doing that Netcat chat client and having Wireshark look in, that we could see everything that's being transmitted in what's called plain text. There's no encryption. And it's really sad, but a lot of passwords these days for like important services like FTP or Telnet all have plain text passwords. And so as a result, it allows us, if we're in the man in the middle or we're on a hub, to be able to listen in on everyone's traffic and Wireshark and pull down whatever we want. So let's just do a little demo here. So I've got a Wireshark capturing on the local loopback, and let me just set up a little thing that says only look at stuff on port 21, which is FTP for those of you who are new. So let's go over here and try to connect to an FTP server. All right. So I'll try to ask for help, and it says, okay, so you need a password. So I typed in this password can be seen, and when I press enter, it has an issue, so I quit out. Let's look at this in Wireshark. What's going on here? So let's start up at the beginning, and so we see the three-way handshake, and we see everything that it was telling us. But we pretty much, right here, is where we start to see what's going on here. So if we look back at our thing, what the order of things that happened was you were connected to the server sent this, the server sent you this, you typed in help and you sent the server the command help, and it asked you for a password. So right here is what we're looking for, this 331 password required for help. We typed in the password and it gave us a 530, login incorrect, and login failed, then we quit out. So here we can see that going on. So we start here, we got the myFTP, we got that packet, so we told the server, yes, we got the myFTP FTPT packet. We asked we asked the server for help, and it gave us a it gave us an ACK back saying it got it. Then it asked us for the password. Then we acknowledged that we got that packet asking for the password, and then we sent it the password. It told us the login was incorrect, and we told it, okay, yeah, it's incorrect. Okay, so then we just quit out. We can ignore the rest of it, but we just quit out, and it gave us the goodbye, and then we did the FinAC little dance here. So basically, we're able to see that this password is like this, and even if Wireshark wasn't nice enough to like make this super easy to see, if we were going through the packets, all we'd have to do is find this login in or this password required for help packet, and we could just go down the line and find the one where the command is pass, and then the password is this password can be seen. So, that's just a quick little dirty demo. You can do it with HTTP, just about any service that has plain text passwords. There's very few that do encryption. I mean, like, important ones luckily do, like SSH that allows us to remotely administer computers and stuff has non-plain text passwords. But that's just something to keep in mind. And also another thing that I just want to restate is that right now you guys can't use this at your current level, at least from what I've taught you. You won't be able to actually use this to sniff other people's passwords until you put yourself in the middle, unless you are on a hub or and your victim's on a hub as well, or you've man in the middle between the two. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.